Assalamualaikum, this is Dr. Nashwa Ahmed from South City Hospital. I'm here at one of the public vaccination centers for COVID-19. We're here as volunteers assisting the Services Hospital in their huge task of vaccinating all healthcare workers across Karachi. So we're grateful, very grateful to the government for prioritizing us, finally making us safe in our fight against COVID-19. It's a huge relief to be vaccinated, to be getting the opportunity to get vaccinated. Speaking of which, this last week, the last few months have been so troublesome. Whilst we're getting all this appreciation from the government, getting prioritized, getting vaccinated, we are facing constant harassment on social media. I recently came across a post in which some of our COVID doctors were targeted. They were harassed, they were publicly crucified on social media. They were criticized for their clinical management, for their counseling, for their information, for their communication. Whilst it's important to understand that the pandemic has created an environment which is challenging for everyone, for the patients, unfortunately, who are getting COVID-19, for the families of these patients, and for the doctors and nurses who are treating these patients, and even for the hospitals who are catering to COVID-19 patients. It's a huge challenge treating these patients under huge protective gear. It's a challenge communicating with families, with constant rushes in ICUs, constant rushes in the wards, patients being so sick, families being so worried. It's a challenge to communicate with them effectively, properly, repeatedly. The healthcare system is so burdened. Each doctor is seeing so many patients. Each nurse is overwhelmed. They're here for endless hours. They're sacrificing their families. They're barely getting enough time to eat. With this, they're dedicating maximum hours to patients and whatever is left with the families of these patients. Despite that, they're constantly harassed on social media that they're not managing effectively, they're not communicating effectively. There will be problems in everything. Everything is being challenged. The norms of healthcare practice are being challenged. The norms of communication are being challenged. I find that it's unfair to stand these people up and to humiliate them in front of the public, humiliate them in front of social media. It's not fair. They're giving hours and hours. It's an unknown disease. It's an unknown disease with unknown challenges, with unknown treatments. Everything is a question mark. How to deal with it is a question mark. How to protect yourself from it is a question mark. There's just so many issues which are left unanswered. With all these challenges and constantly being bombarded with abuse, harassment, I find is incredibly unfair. It's incredibly painful for a doctor or for a nurse to have put in all the love, the care, the attention, the man hours, the sacrifice of their families, and still be punished in such a horrific way. It's a shame. I wish this could end. जिस तरह से government हमें prioritize करे, government हम लोगों को front line पे रख रही है. I wish the public could finally see healthcare workers for what they are giving back to their community, what they are doing, what their families are sacrificing. Globally, all healthcare workers are being paraded as warriors. Why not here? Why not here? Why aren't we seen as giving a service to the community? I understand that with COVID, there is a death rate. There are people who are not surviving. That is part of the disease. We don't have hands on the disease yet. We do not have absolute control over the outcome of the disease. It's not in our hands. That's in the hands of God, who gets to live and who gets to who is dying. That's just not something we can control. This is something we're constantly learning about, and constantly new treatments. Just as everyone is researching on the internet, new treatments are coming up, new researches are coming up. The medical community is also constantly engaged in a cycle of learning, providing those medications, providing up-to-date treatment. This cycle is going to continue until we have complete understanding of the disease. It's too soon. It's too soon for any solid answer in anything. My only request to the public is try to stand on this side and see the challenges that we're facing, the sacrifices that we are giving. This is very important. The government is with us. Globally, the public at large is parading and celebrating healthcare workers. Our public needs to understand and side with us. What are we going through? We are giving our absolute 200% to make sure that the public is safe, the patients are getting the best of treatment, the up-to-date treatment जो guidelines हमें recommend कर रही हैं, and we are giving our best to give maximum time to the families whilst not sacrificing the time that's given to our patients. So please, I urge you, everyone, be patient, be understanding, try to see things from our end, what we are going through. I promise you, we are giving 1000% to the patients. You just have to trust us as your healthcare provider.